Hello student, today I will teach to you the next point in the halogen derivative chapter is the preparations of alkyl halide. Today I will teach you the only two methods. But first is the by halogenation of alkane and second is the by addition of hydrogen halide to alkene. तुम्हाला या धड्यामध्ये तुम्हाला दोनच पद्धती घेणार आहे अल्किल हायड्रेटच्या प्रिपरेशनच्या. पहिली मेथड आहे अल्केन पासून अल्किल कसं मिळवायचं हॅलोजनच्या पद्धतीने आणि हॅलो ऍसिडची अल्किनो अभिक्रिया होऊन अल्किल कसं तयार करायचं हे आपण दोनचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. पण तुमच्या स्टेट बोर्डच्या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये ही रिएक्शन दिलेली नाही. पण सीईटी आणि नीटच्या दृष्टिकोनी खूप महत्वाचं आहे. आलं लक्षात का? कारण यांच्यावर क्रॉस क्वेश्चन येऊ शकतात. व्हाय दीज मेथड्स आर नॉट गिव्हन इन युअर सिलेबस? रिमेंबर दिस इज मेथड इज not suitable for the preparations of alkyl halide. Why it is not suitable? Such type of explanation is not given. Therefore, try to understand. This reaction always complete in the 11th class. Reactions of halogen on alkene. What is the definition of halogen of alkene? With the hydrogen atom of alkene is replaced by halogen atom. The reactions are called as halogenation of alkene. You remember the order of reactivity of halogen. Halogen means chlorine, X2. X2 means F2 is more reactive than chlorine. Chlorine is more reactive than bromine. Bromine is more reactive than iodine. Understand? This is the order of reactivity of halogen atom or halogen molecule. And order of reactivity of alkane. Tertiary alkane is more reactive than secondary alkane. Secondary alkane is more reactive than primary alkane. You know the definition of primary alkane, secondary alkane. You remember the only order of reactivity of alkane with a halogen atom. I will take the two examples here. First example, when methane, you remember methane is a which type of alkane? There is only one carbon atom. You remember it is always a primary alkane. It do not contain no any other carbon atom. What is the primary carbon atom? The carbon atom which attached to another only one carbon atom. Here there is only one carbon atom. There you remember the methane carbon is an example of primary carbon atom. When methane is react with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet light or diffused sunlight, then what happens? Which bond is present here in case of alkane? Single bond. All alkane undergo which reaction? Substitution reaction, normal condition. Therefore, what happens here? Substitution reaction takes place. Means CH3H. This H replaces the chlorine atoms, and it form a CH3 Cl plus HCl, methyl chloride or chloromethane. IUPAC name is the chloromethane or methyl chloride, common name. This reaction is continuous. Why? In case of methane, they contain how many hydrogen atom? 4 hydrogen atom. Therefore, they are continuously replace the hydrogen atom, and it uses different types of product. Methyl chloride or chloromethane further react with a second molecules of chlorine in presence of ultraviolet rays or sunlight to form a methylene dichloride plus HCl. Methylene dichloride further react with a chlorine and to form a CHCl3 chloroform and HCl, and CHCl3 further react with a fourth molecules of chlorine and to form a carbon tetrachloride. It gives the, whenever the methane is react with a halogen atom, at that time different types of product is formed in the reactions. Methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. Therefore, it is too much difficult to separate these compounds or products. I understand. And you remember, iodinations of methane does not take place when the methane is react with iodine. Reversible reaction is takes place. You remember, iodination of methane does not takes place. I understand the first example. Second example, if you take the larger alkane and the methane, for example, I will take the butane, CH3, CH2, CH2Br, sorry, butane, react with bromine. Then what happens? You know that in case of butane, how many carbon atoms there? There are two types of carbon. This is the primary carbon, this is the secondary carbon. What is the order of reactivity here? Secondary carbon is the alkane is more reactive than primary. Therefore, here two types of product is formed. First is the CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br plus CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3 plus HBr. This is the minor product and this is the major product, means N1-bromobutane. We get two types of alkyl halide, 1-bromobutane and 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane is the major. Why? Because bromine attack on the fastly on secondary carbon atom. The activity of second carbon more with a bromine. I understand. Therefore, this method is not useful for the preparations of alkyl halide in the laboratory or in industry. I understand. If you take the higher alkane, different types of product is formed. It is too much difficult to separate these such type of products. Hence, this method is not useful in the preparations of alkyl halide. I understand. The first method. But sometime question will be asked in the NEET examination. What is the action of bromine on the butane and what are the major product? Then how will you write the which is the major product? Therefore, I will take this example for the NEET and CET examinations. I understand. तर परीक्षेमध्ये आपल्याला प्रश्न आला, तुमच्या अभ्यासक्रमात दिलेला नाहीये हे हा पॉइंट स्टेट बोर्ड मध्ये, पण परीक्षेमध्ये प्रश्न विचारू शकतो. सीईटी मध्ये ब्रोमिनची एन ब्युटी सोबत अभिक्रिया झाली असता मेजर प्रोडक्ट कोणता असेल, तर आपल्याला ह्या माझ्या आजच्या लेक्चरवरून तुम्हाला सहजपणे समजेल. ठीक आहे. Second method for the preparations of alkyl halide is from alkene and halo acids. Additions of halo acid on alkene. Second method for preparation, addition of halo acids. Halo acids means HX on alkene. Alkene means which contain the double bond. The order of reactivity of halo acid with alkene is like this. HI is more reactive than HBr. HBr is more reactive than HCl. Generally, HF acid is not used in the laboratory. I understand. First, I will take the one example. You tell me the examples of alkene, ethene or ethylene. CH2 double bond CH2 is react with HBr, hydrogen bromide. Then what happens here? In last lecture, I will tell that whenever the unsaturation there, then which type of reaction takes place? मागच्या ताशी व्हिडिओ मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं, जेव्हा केव्हा मल्टिपल बॉन्ड असेल तेव्हा कोणती अभिक्रिया करायची? ऍडिशन रिएक्शन. म्हणजे काय करायचं मग? एक ऍटम एका अनसॅच्युरेटेड कार्बन ऍटमला दुसरा ऍटम दुसऱ्याला. लक्षात काय तयार झालं पाहिजे? CH3 CH2Br, इथाइल ब्रोमाइड. काय मिळालं आपल्याला? इथाइल ब्रोमाइड मिळाला. कशापासून? इथिलीन पासून, किंवा आपण इथिन म्हणतो किंवा इथिलीन म्हणतो, आणि हायड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड. लक्षात इथे एक लक्षात ठेवा, आता इथं आकडे झालेली रिएक्शन आपल्याला ही लक्षात. इथं काय ठेवायचं आहे? इथिलीन मध्ये किती कार्बन ऍटम आहेत? इव्हन नंबर आहेत, म्हणजे सिमेट्रिकल मॉलिक्युल आहे. हा कसा आहे? सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन आहे. बरोबर आहे. हा HBr कसा आहे? अनसिमेट्रिकल आहे. दोन्ही ऍटम वेगवेगळे आहेत म्हणून याला अनसिमेट्रिकल म्हणतो आपण. unsymmetrical reagent. When symmetrical alkene react with unsymmetrical reagent, then it gives the addition product only. But whenever unsymmetrical alkenes react with unsymmetrical reagent, then such type of addition not takes place. It is a different than these examples. तर पहा, asymmetrical alkene घेऊ आपण. CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2. काय नावाचं? प्रोपिलीन. बरोबर आहे. HBr सोबत रिॲक्ट केलं. हा सिमेट्रिकल होता, यामुळे सरळ आपण ऍडिशन केलं. इथं सरळ ऍडिशन होत नाही, थोडं काळजीपूर्वक पहा. इथं हा अनसिमेट्रिकल रिएजंट आहे आणि हे कसं आहे? अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन. बरोबर आहे. या ठिकाणी काय होईल पाहता? अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनी कॉप्स रूल, सायंटिस्ट मार्कोनी याचा अभ्यास केला म्हणून मार्कोनी कॉप्स रूलचा नियम वापरतो. दिस रिएक्शन फर्स्ट स्टडीड बाय सायंटिस्ट मार्कोनी, therefore called Marconi Cops rule. According to Marconi Cops rule, whenever the unsymmetrical alkenes react with unsymmetrical reagent, then negative part of reagent is attached to the carbon atom, double bonded carbon atom, which having the less number of hydrogen atom. Where is attached? Negative part of reagent attached to the unsaturated carbon atom, which having the lesser number of hydrogen. Here double bond present between CH2 and CH. Here CH is a less number of hydrogen carbon atom, therefore Br always attached to the less number of hydrogen carbon atom is CH group, and we get a major product is the CH3 CH Br CH3 2 bromo propane or isopropyl bromide. Which rule? According to Marconi Cops rule. समजते का? जेव्हा अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन हा अनसिमेट्रिकल रिएजंट सोबत अभिक्रिया करतो, त्यावेळेस रिएजंटचा निगेटिव्ह पार्ट ज्या डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन ॲटम मध्ये कमी हायड्रोजन ॲटम असलेला कार्बन आहे त्या ठिकाणी जोडायचा. हा नियम लक्षात ठेवा. लक्षात. If the same reaction is carried out in presence of organic hydrogen peroxide, benzyl peroxide, or in presence of peroxide, then what happens? Reaction takes place opposite to the Marconi Cops rule. Means opposite to Marconi Cops rule means the negative part of reagent is attached to the larger number of hydrogen atoms, and to form a CH3 CH2 CHBr. Name of compound is the 1-bromopropane CH3 CH2Br. 1-bromopropane. Understand? This product is formed according to peroxide effect. It is also called as the anti-Marconi Cops rule, or it is also called as the Korsch-Mayor effect. काम झाला Korsch-Mayor effect कारण 1933 मध्ये सायंटिस्ट Korsch आणि मायोरनी हा पेरॉक्साइडचा इफेक्ट शोधून काढला. Therefore, this effect is called as the peroxide effect, anti-Marconi Cops rule, or it is also called as the Korsch-Mayor effect. I understand? You remember, peroxide effect takes place by the free radical mechanism. We get a 1-bromopropane by free radical mechanism, and 2-bromopropane or Marconi Cops rule takes place by the electrophilic mechanism. हा फरक आहे. फ्री रॅडिकल मेकॅनिझम कुठं घडतं? पेरॉक्साइड इफेक्ट मध्ये, आणि इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक मेकॅनिझम कुठं घडतं? मार्कोनी कॉप्स रूल मध्ये. प्रश्न विचारला तो, राईट अ शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन मार्कोनी कॉप्स रूल, और पेरॉक्साईड इफेक्ट, तर आपल्याला पूर्णपणे सविस्तर सांगता आलं पाहिजे. हे पूर्ण लक्षपूर्वक ऐक एकदा. Whenever the unsymmetrical alkane is react with unsymmetrical reagent, the negative part is attached to the hydrogen carbon atom having the less number of hydrogen atom, and we get a 2-bromopropane. And if the same reaction carried in presence of organic peroxide molecules like a benzoyl peroxide, then the addition takes place reverse to the Markovnikov rule, and we get a 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane is formed by the free radical mechanism, and 2-bromopropane is formed by electrophilic mechanism. Question will be asked in the state board examination: what is the actions of HBr on propylene in presence of hydrogen peroxide and in absence of hydrogen peroxide? Then write the two reactions, or how will you convert the propylene to 2-bromopropane or propylene to 1-bromopropane. Such type of question will be asked in the examination. Thank you.